Texas legislature meets every odd year, so they're going to be meeting in 2019 from January to May, and you want to be registered to vote. We have some voter registration cards here. You are nobody if you're not a registered voter to our elected officials. They pay attention to people who are registered and who vote because that's what keeps them in office. So please register to vote, and understand that if you registered to vote years and years ago and you don't live at that place anymore, you need to re-up. Everybody should have gotten a legislative survey with the paperwork that you do. Please take a few moments to fill this out. These are not laws. They certainly should be, but this helps us know what's important to tenants so that when we are talking to our legislators, we can share with them what is important to tenants as far as getting those laws. So if you are interested in meeting with the legislators, please check yes. Put your information here so that when we are visiting, we can call you and we can all show up as a group to particular legislators that we're asking to support and to sponsor these different bills.